this project, I'm gonna be using medium weight acrylic yarn in red and green, 5mm crochet hook, yarn needle, scissors, stitch markers, yarn scraps for filling, and finally keychain clasps. To make the cherry, start with making a magic ring. Then make 6 single crochets into this magic ring. After that, pull the yarn tail to tighten it up. In the second round, we'll be making 2 single crochets into every stitch. Let's start with our first single crochet. After that, grab your stitch marker and mark your first single crochet. Next, go ahead and make the second single crochet into the same stitch. Make another 2 single crochets into the next stitch. First single crochet, and then the second single crochet into the same stitch. Repeat the same process until the end of the round. I'm going to remove the stitch marker and finish with the last single crochet increase. First single crochet, second single crochet into the same stitch. Now that we finished the first round, grab the stitch marker and place it into the last stitch. What you should do for round 3 and 4 is to make 1 single crochet into every stitch. In round 5, we'll be making 1 decrease, 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet. To make the decrease, insert your hook into the first stitch, yarn over and pull through. Insert your hook into the following stitch, again, yarn over and pull through. You should have 3 loops on your hook. Once you've done that, yarn over and pull through all 3 loops. And this is our first decrease. Next, you'll be making 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Then 1 decrease, then 1 single crochet into the next stitch. Keep doing the same thing until the end of the round. This is the last decrease, followed by the last single crochet. After that, go ahead and remove the stitch marker, then make 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. Now chain 1, then cut the yarn and pull it through the loop. For the stuffing, if you don't have the fluffy material, you can use yarn scraps. It's actually really good for you. Then grab the tail and thread it into the yarn needle. After that, go into all the back loops of every stitch, just like this. Once you finish that, pull up the tail to close the cherry. To secure the cherry, go ahead and make one knot into the center. Now since the cherries are ready, let's move to the next step. To make the cherry leaves, chain 12. Now skip the first chain and make a single crochet into the second chain. Then 1/2 double crochet into the next chain. Then 1 double crochet into the next chain. Then 1/2 double crochet. Then 1 single crochet. Go ahead and complete the sleeve by doing 1 slip stitch into the next stitch. To begin the second leaf, chain 7. Now go ahead and do the same exact thing as we did with the first leaf. 1 single crochet, then 1/2 double crochet into the next stitch, then 1 double crochet into the next stitch, then 1/2 double crochet, then 1 single crochet, then finish by 1 slip stitch. To connect the 2 leaves together, go ahead and make another slip stitch right here. Now chain 4. And cut the yarn tail. Now we're going to join the two parts together. Go ahead and insert the leaf tail into the cherry just like this. Repeat the same exact thing with the other cherry. And this is the finished look of the cherry. To make it as a keychain, grab the keychain clasp and join it with the cherry. If you really enjoyed my tutorial, I would love if you subscribe to my channel to see more videos from me. Let me know in the comments if you made this, and thank you so much for watching. See you next tutorial. Bye!